I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 14th to May the 21st reading. Welcome to Timeless Tarot 111, where intelligent spiritual meets. Ayan. So also known as Babaylan TV, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Leo, parang nafe-feel natin yung awkwardness, no? Kasi parang merong mga unspoken words, whether it is probably you are telepathically having a conversation with your person. Spiritually speaking, let's say yung soul mo at saka soul niya, no, in the ethers, having a conversation, pero matitigas ang puso nyo dito sa 3D, ayaw nyo mag-usap, wherein your energies in the ethers, parang having a communication na. That's why medyo nafe-feel nyo yung awkwardness, no? Siguro ito din yung mga times na pwedeng nakikita natin sa post ni person yung mga songs. Hindi ka man nakatag, pero parang feeling mo, ay, sa akin to. Songs, poems, or even yung mga, mga parinig, yung mga memes, no? Yung iba nga sa inyo parang napapanaginipan pa, no? Si person, for some reason. Kahit hindi nyo siya iniisip, parang this week, parang masasabi nyo, ay, napanaginipan ko siya. Kahit hindi ko maalala kung ano yung exact situation, pero alam ko, napanaginipan ko siya, no? The 8 of Cups, the 10 of Wands, the 4 of Swords. Chances are meron kayong separations ng person mo, no? Separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, yeah, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? Energetic, kahit nagkikita kayo, hindi naman kayo nagkakausap. I feel like either ikaw, I think that you're the one who turned your back to your person, parang nagtampo. I'm feeling na meron talagang tampo. Especially dun sa mga crushes, no labels, in a relationship, married couple, third party, except sa mga singles. Singles, ito yung week na parang meron kang hinahanap na tao. Hindi mo ma-specify kung sino, pero there is a need, a want, to look for this person. Parang nangangati tayong gumala-gala, no? Hindi para maglandi. Gumala-gala, ano yun? Ay, kulay pala ng buhok. Okay. Gumala-gala hindi para maglandi, kung hindi, parang feeling mo, dadating kasi si person eh. Mamimit ko siya anytime, no? I feel like medyo, ano tayo dito. Ito yung week singles na hindi tayo dapat magtamad-tamaran, no? Sa pagse-search. Sa separated couples, ang nakikita natin dito, nafe-feel mo yung pushback ni person. So parang nandito yung, totoo ba na nararamdaman ko ayaw niya nang bumalik sa akin, no? Ganun yung feeling. The 2 of Swords, the Devil card, and the Star. Chances are, medyo na baby ninyo itong person ninyo. Siguro, sabihin natin na spoil ninyo, no? you're very generous of your energy to a point wherein kapag may mga issues na ganito, merong mga lagi kang ikaw yung nakasalo, no? Ikaw nagsosolve. So, ngayon meron kayong, or kapag nagkakaroon kayo ng separations, ikaw itong laging humahabol or nakikipagbate. I think that this time, medyo yun yung kanilang na-expect, no? Habulin mo sila or ikaw una mag-reach out. Let's clarify the Two of Swords. Kasi medyo this is a piled up energy eh. Especially na katabi niya yung Devil card. Parang hindi lang ito nangyari once. So parang paulit-ulit ito. And parang naging routine, no? Sa kanyang paningin. The Eight of Swords and the King of Wands. So medyo hindi siya nagtitigas-tigasan ng puso eh. Nagtitigas-tigasan siya ng ulo, no? Well, matigas na talaga yung ulo niya. Nagtitigas-tigasan pa siya kasi parang you place the person in a pedestal. So parang sinasabi nito, anytime soon naman, no? Tatawagan niya rin ako, no? I feel like huwag tayong magalit kay person kasi somehow, may contributions tayo, ba't siya ganyan? Sinanay natin kasi, no? Is there a chance for this attitude, no, to change? I feel like there is, kasi hindi pa naman ganun kahaba sungay nito, no? Pwede pang putulin. That's our moment. Ayan na nga. The Queen of Wands and the Nine of Wands. So this week, I feel like magtitigas-tigasan kayong dalawa. Sino ang mauuna? Yun ang actual question, no? It could be pataasan ng pride. The Devil card is here. Bakit ako? Ako nga yung nagawan mo ng hindi maganda. Ako nga yung nagawan mo ng masama. So ako pa rin ba ang mag-reach out? For a few numbers of you, parang ang swerte mo naman, no? Yung iba sa inyo blinak itong person na ito because of Ines. So that's probably the reason why your soul is communicating in the ethers kasi there's no way, parang may blockage yung energy sa 3D. So technically, no, the energies are going to find a way on how to communicate with each other. With the Tower moment in here, I feel like there are transformations. It might be a bad transformation to your person, but I feel like this is a good implication for you to also stand your ground, no? Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, medyo susubukan mong putulin, no, yung sungay nitong person mo. I feel like medyo hinahanap ka nito, or hinahanap mo siya. There's an intentional energy here na nagtatago, no? Nandiyan lang siya pero nagtatago. To a point wherein baka may nagpapalabas pa nga dito ng I'm with someone, no, or probably you cannot see me. Chances are medyo these persons are also playing games or playing tricks, no, sa ating mind. Mas pinag-worry nila tayo, no? So this week might be a little challenging for you, Leo, no? Kasi you're standing your ground, matigas ang ulo niya, ang hirap mag-meet nun, no? Walang unang gusto mag-reach out. So, yeah, this is your reading for now, Leo. Let's check your person's zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo, sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? That's for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Leo, I am seeing Sagittarius, Aquarius, Capricorn, Pisces. Ayan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.